Hello guys, and Johnny Cash has a wonderful song, and this song has name, the God is gonna cut you down. And also I think it's very applicable to your work in Unity 3D. So let's just say that you are working with your project on your project for a very long time, so you are you click on the play button very often to check if everything works correctly, and you see that everything works pretty good. You don't see any problems with your Unity 3D project, so you are happy to say that that okay, my fans, I'm ready to release my game today. So fans, I will release this game today, tonight. So, and your fans, may wait for for evening to come, for release of your game. But such situation may happen for you guys. It's very bad situation. So you should never say, to your fans, to people who are waiting for your game, you should never say that, okay, I will publish it today, tonight, I will. Just wait. Never say that. And I'm going to show you why. So let's just say that you are ready to publish your game. So you can see here, a couple of red errors, but it's still working, right, in editor. And you want to publish it as PC, Mac, and Linux standalone. Okay, you are ready to press build and run and to test your game and then to publish it somewhere. So you click build and run. You are waiting. You are happy. Your smile is very shiny, and you are happy as hell. And you have very good expectations, and you launch your game, and you go to so I'm going to my opponents, and you bang. What's happening? Why they're not following me? What is happening to my game? It was working in editor. Oh my god, and you start to panic. And that's what you should not do. So also, recently I added a function to restart this level. So when I press R, it should restart. So let's just press R. And now the game just stuck. I pressed R and game just stuck. So it's it's frozen application. And I need but still guys, I added function to exit application. So when I press escape, it will exit it. And what it can say to me as developer, it can say that application is responsible. So application responded to my escape button. So that means that application not frozen. So it was working, but something happened to code. And basically, you can start digging in a code, but please keep in mind that you have to test your game not only in editor but also in standalone application. So in my case, how I fixed this problem? First, I started to dig in hierarchy of my project. So here I have a player and 3 enemies in this bunch, and once I get them out of this bunch and I build and run this project once again, I noticed that it can fix the problem with AI, with my enemies. So you will see what I mean here. So I took my enemies and player out of this bunch, and now let's just go to our enemies, and you will see that now they are responding to my appearance. But when I press R, the game is still crashing, so the game is still stuck. So I press R and the game is not responding to my restart request, and I press escape to exit. Okay, so let's just okay, undo function doesn't work, so let's just open this this Senna once again. So his name test3. Okay, don't save. Let's just leave it like it is, because this didn't fix a restart problem for me, so it's connected to something else. And I started to dig all the code of my project, so how I managed to find it. So guys, I started to not just to disable scripts, so one by one, I started to delete one object by one by one. So I deleted this object, then these, then these, and then I deleted this object, and I found that map is level is now working properly. Not fully, but still, I had some functionality working properly good, properly. So, and I found that the problem was here, and I started to disable scripts also one by one, and then I found the problem in this script. So let's just open this script. I'll show you what problem I have here. I had, so I have now, but it will be fixed. So this is connected only to couple of lines of code. You will not believe, but it is. It's just connected to couple of lines of code. So first line is this one. I have to disable this line and uncomment those two instead. Also, I have to add this line and save it. So you can see that couple, just just to be honest, one line of code can crash the whole your work. So you have to be careful. You have to check. So but if you have a lot of code in your project, it will be very hard. So do your work step by step. Just apply code, then test. Apply code, then test. So I saved it, and let me just build and run this game once again. So you can see that my player and enemies once again in this bunch. So I haven't took them out of it. So now let's just play it once again. Play, and you'll see how this can fix your problems. So in my case, okay, so I forgot to assign one thing. I have to assign one thing. Okay, yeah. It says me that I have some problems here. It's because I created new variable, but I haven't assigned it game object to this variable. So I have to go to empty, and I have to assign, so controller, I have to leave it empty, because script will assign it. So this is how script will do it, and I have to assign game object for my game controller. I mean controller, yep. And this will be player. Okay, save, build and run, and now everything should be fine. It will be fine for sure. And this video is going to be warning for you guys, to keep track of your work, not just test your game in editor. So editor is editor, so it just like for test, but real work should be tested outside of editor. So let's just go to them and check it out. Okay, now they respond to me, and restart is also working now. Okay, that's good, guys. You can see that you have to be very careful with your project because when you guys have a lot of code in your project, it can really become a headache for you. And if you have thousands of of pieces of code, it will be so. I never wish you to face such problem like this. So always test your game outside of Unity editor. Okay, now they have radios. Hello, can you see me? So, and basically that's all. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to avoid problems in your future in your work. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Okay, they are surrounding me and don't not let me to go. So I hope this video will help you to avoid problems in future with your project. And once again, thank you for watching and have a good time. Bye bye.